Moving on, across the world, governments are debating whether to ban or tightly restrict social media use for children to protect their mental health, safety and development. And after Australia, which became the first country to ban social media for children under 16 last year, the chorus for similar action by other countries is now growing louder. In India, the state of Goa has become the latest to consider an Australia-like law banning social media for children below the age of 16 years. According to the state's information technology minister, the matter is under consideration at the highest levels of the government. But this development, remember, comes days after Andhra Pradesh IT and Education Minister Nara Lokesh had stated that the government was considering a similar ban on social media for children under the age of 16. The world over, more countries are emulating Australia's move. France's National Assembly has backed a bill to ban children under the age of 15 from accessing social media platforms as concerns grow over online bullying and mental health risks among the minors. Lawmakers voted 116 to 23 in favor of this proposal, clearing the way for the bill to move to the Senate for further debate before a final vote in the lower house. The bill proposes banning under 15s from social networks and social networking functionalities embedded within broader platforms and reflects the rising public angst over the impact of social media on minors. The legislation would require platforms to block access for young teenagers through age verification mechanisms that comply with European Union regulations. French President Emmanuel Macron has urged France to move quickly, calling for the ban to be implemented by September this year, at the start of the next academic year in the country. French lawmakers say that this move reflects growing public concerns over the impact of social media on the children's well-being, including exposure to cyberbullying, addiction and social pressure. Macron has linked social media to rising violence among youngsters and has pointed to Australia's world-first social media ban for under 16s as a model. In France, there is broad political and public support for restricting minors' access to social media. Far-right lawmaker Thierry Perez described the issue as a health emergency, questioning the cost of unrestricted online expression for kids. A 2024 Harris Interactive survey found that 73% of French citizens support the ban for under 15s. The bill also seeks to extend an existing ban on smartphones in junior and middle schools to include high schools. Now, this move has sparked a wider debate on whether an outright ban is an effective way to curb the harmful impact of social media on kids, or whether better supervision and age-appropriate limits are the way forward.